To find hidden apps on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, long tap on an empty area on your home screen, and then tap Setting. Scroll down the screen. Tap Hide Apps on home screen and app screen. In the Hidden App section, you can see the list of apps that have been hidden from the home screen and app screen. To display a hidden app back to your app screen, tap the desired hidden app. As the example, we will select LinkedIn. Tap Done button. To see the result, go to your app screen. Tap the search bar at the bottom of the screen. Type the app name. As you can see that the selected app, in this case LinkedIn, is displayed again in the app screen. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.